Looking to add your own notes, comments, or content to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to write on PDF files using Acrobat's powerful editing features. By the end, you'll know how to add text anywhere on your document, format it just how you like, and make those changes stick. Perfect for filling out forms, making corrections, or simply personalizing your PDFs. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once you double-click and your file loads, take a moment to check you're seeing the proper document. Sometimes it's easy to open the wrong file, especially if you're working with a bunch of PDFs at once. Next, we need to access the editing tools. At the top of the window, you'll see the menu bar. Click on Tools, and then choose Edit PDF. This is the main hub for making any alterations. Alternatively, look at the panel on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see quick shortcuts like Fill and Sign and Edit PDF. Either way works, so use whichever is easier for you. These tools let you manipulate the document a lot, like you would in a word processor. Now, you're ready to add some text. Find the Add Text tool. It's usually symbolized by an uppercase A right next to a lowercase b. This icon might be small, but it's key to writing on your PDF. Click it once to activate it, and you'll notice your mouse cursor change, usually turning into a crosshair or a little text indicator. Choose exactly where you'd like to type. Maybe you're filling out a form and need to put your name in a blank, or you want to jot a note into the margin. Click on your chosen spot, and a text box will pop up automatically. Start typing your content. Don't worry if the box seems a bit too small or not quite where you want it. You can always adjust it afterward. Next comes formatting and adjusting your text. Let's say after typing, your note looks a bit cramped, or maybe the font doesn't match the rest of the document. No problem at all. You can resize the text box just by dragging one of its borders outward or inward. This works a lot like resizing images in PowerPoint or Word. In the formatting toolbar, feel free to play around with the font type, font size, and even color. If you want your text to stand out, perhaps make it bold or change the color to blue. If you typed in the wrong spot, simply click and drag the edges of the box to move it elsewhere. Take your time with this. These tweaks help your additions blend seamlessly into the original PDF. The final step, and it's a crucial one, saving your changes. Click the Save button, usually found in the upper left corner, to make sure your new text is permanently added to the document. Think of this like locking in your edits, so that the next time you or anyone else opens the file, your additions will be right where you left them. And that's all there is to it. With these tools, you can annotate, fill out forms, or make edits on any PDF with full confidence. If this walkthrough was helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any snags or have questions. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.